Want to adjust the speed of TikTok videos for a better viewing experience? Here's how you can change the playback speed on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Find the video you want to watch and start playing it. Now, tap on the three dots on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see various options. Scroll left until you find playback speed. Tap on it and you'll see different speed options like 0.5x, 1x, 1.5x, and 2x. I'll choose to play the video at double speed. The video will immediately start playing at the selected speed, as you can see. Now, I'll repeat the process, but this time slow down the video. It works perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to change the playback speed on TikTok. Do you also use the playback speed feature, and what do you think of it? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.